All right, you guys wanted to see me in another Subaru, so here we are. All right. Off to a photo shoot, and yeah, and I'll explain what I'm doing in here. All right, I forgot, it's been a while. Out here shooting with Phil and the boys. We're gonna do a little photo shoot. Let's check it out. Phil's car always looking clean.
A month or two before me. Okay. It was around the same, we were battling, we were kind of...
Dude, look at the clouds.
Has to be.
Whoa.
Wind, huh?
I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. We are actually going on a photo shoot with Phil. Phil, say what's up, man. Let's go, let's do this. I'm just kidding, guys, I'm in the Supra. I would love to have another STI, but it is what it is, so this is just a casual shoot today, nothing fancy. Finally get some good weather here in Washington. 75 degrees, absolutely perfect. We're gonna do a nice evening photo shoot. Haven't done that in a while, especially with the homie Phil in this STI. Man, it feels nice just to go out and cruise. Windows down, no rain. Oh, I gotta shift. Supra, guys. It's just, I don't know, it's just different. As much as I love the STI, I really love the Supra. I mean, just about as much as the STI. But I was driving this car yesterday. It's like a 3-hour drive, and you know, we're cruising at about 100 miles an hour. The engine's only spinning at 2,500 RPMs. Oh man, look at all those rocks. But combined, we're at 25 miles a gallon, both city and highway, which is awesome for a car that makes man, which is very minimal mods. Only real power mods are, you know, the upgraded turbo and the downpipe, and that's really it. The intake really doesn't add much power, but so much more to come on the Supra, guys, and maybe even a new car. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, you never been out here before?
No.
Really?
This is super, this is right down the road. You've never been here? No.
Look at it, look at it. Yeah, look at this.
Look, how bigger. How bigger. I've lived here for like 10 years and I've never been down here. Oh, as soon as we went left, oh yeah, she run rich. That's awesome.
You get some E85 in there, boy.
Yeah, I do.
Always. I know. Put some dressing on for the shoot.
Oh yeah.
What are we using today there?
This stuff smells amazing, but...
Some Griots?
Yeah. I mean, I've used a lot of the tire shine stuff, but this gel, I don't know if it's just the gel, but it seems to really
it's legit.
Stick well. I drove around the Supra all day with it on.
Yeah.
And it like held up pretty well.
Time to go shoot.
Already? All good? Oh yeah, sorry.
Are we good? Are we good on lighting? Oh, you left them hanging, dude. You see that shit?
What's that?
You left them hanging, man. You left them hanging, man. What's wrong, dude? You're a dick, man.
You're like, no.
I'm just taking in the scene.
Not all the way, but to about like right here, just like straight back.
Okay. But like centered in the spot?
Yeah, centered in the spot. Should be fine. Or even like, actually probably would be even better, maybe just hide this line and just be like parked on top of it, like have it right in the middle of you.
Okay.
I'll stand here so you can see it. That's Photoshop. I mean, the double lines are really faded, so they won't really show up. Turn left, turn left. I just need you to here, pull forward just a little bit. Turn that way. Now turn that way. Keep going, keep going. Straight out. Straight back. Turn a little bit to your left, and then straight again. Straight. A little bit to the other way. Other way, other way. Right there.
Behind the scenes photo shoot.
Do you want the wheel tilted at all? Or?
Yeah.
For now, keep it straight. I know.
Show the camera preview. Oh shit. Oh, you can zoom in? Okay.
Yeah.
Unprocessed, guys. Awesome.
I feel like I took 2 pictures and then I showed you the one before because I like the one before better. But they're pretty much the same, just landscape and then, oops, portrait.
For the ground, right?
Yep.
Just look at this view. Got the bridge right there. Got the sun going down. Got the water. It's a nice pier. Lovely. That water's cold as shit. Don't let the sunshine fool you. Let's check out the dock. I know this video really isn't much of anything. I just wanted to, you know, get kind of like a day in the life video. This water's deep. Looks deep, dirty too. There's a lot of stuff that I don't film that, you know, later on I regret not filming. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I should be filming more. There's a lot of stuff that I should be filming. I just don't.
That's the one right there.
That was right over there, across the water.
Now somebody showed
a Ram 2500. Jose was driving me, and I'm just in the back.
Congratulations to your wife.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Oh shit, there's you hanging. See you guys.
See you
Hold on,
later.
put your Instagram down here somewhere.
JR.
Cool. All right.
Holden.media.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at Phil's car. There you go. Be nice to be back in an STI again. Oh, yeah. All right, so Phil, I know the time is coming. So how much you want to sell the STI for?
There's a price I got, but
It's getting dark. I missed that. One more! One more! Oh, man. Got some GR86s here. You know, if I were to buy one, these are probably my 2 favorite colors for the GR86. I don't know, it'd be a hard decision on which color to choose from. Lovely day to go out cruising and, you know, shoot videos.